Hello everyone! Today I'm doing an unboxing of another arcade classic mini series, but this time it's a Dance Dance Revolution DDR official machine, but it's like a miniature version of it. With a little handhold stick and paddle for your finger. The battery actually dead from the demo when I got it from Target, so I'm gonna switch the battery out. There's the back. Come with full song and totally playable. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Let's see, I'm gonna open it. It's all tape. Okay, open it up. Oh, on the bottom, there's some advertisement. It's a gaming manual. And this part. Oh, actually, there's no demo mode because there's actually a plastic thing that you can pull it out. And I'm gonna turn on the power. Oh, it turned on. Nice, I don't have to switch power. So it says play. See, I think this is. Yep. You can go. Let's see. Keep on moving, make it better. Paranoia. Select song. Okay, select this song. Not sure how to select. Maybe I should read the instruction manual. Let's see. Oh, here, start. Okay, starting. Pretty easy, easy mode, yeah. Much harder when you're jumping around. Okay, see, you can quit game, press to continue. Oh, I guess you can't quit game, you have to let it finish. You have to die. It's like an arcade, real arcade. You can't quit in the middle of the game. Yeah. So there's no volume rocker, just one volume. Not super loud, but enough to hear the things. Actually, there's a setting volume. You can adjust the difficulty. I guess there's 3 song and 3 difficulties, so I can change it to Maniac. And then volume can go higher. There we go. And then go back to play. Let's change this different song. It's a little louder now. So this is super hard mode. The long intro before any notes coming out. There you go. Oh my god. Oh, it's hard. Yeah, pretty cool. I think it's quite cool. I'll turn it off. Yeah, so this is the mini DDR for your tabletop. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye.